नेक्स्ट टॉपिक बेटा डीलिंग विद गार्बेज। So beta garbage from our homes is taken to the dustbins or bins by our domestic garbage collector, and from the bins that garbage is taken to the big trucks to nearby low laying area. That low laying area is called landfill. So landfill are generally located in remote areas. Remote areas are those areas beta which is away from the cities, okay, far away from the populated areas. So what is the function of that landfilling? So garbage is spread over that entire areas of the landfill, and when it get filled, then it is covered by another layer of the soil, and that soil is leveled off, and then after some time that is converted into a nutrient, and due to that nutrient plant grow there, and that can be used as a park or playground. Okay, so generally useful component of garbage are separated and disposed of for recycling. And the component of garbage which rot, beta rot we have already discussed. What is rot? That material that decay, means burnt with in nature in short period of time, and are converted into compost or vermicompost at the site nearby landfill. So beta from that paragraph what we get from here three main terms related to it. First is rot. So what is rot? To decay or something to go bad as a part of natural process with the help of microorganism in nature. And second term is vermicomposting, composting and landfill. First of all, what is that landfill? Low laying area where the city garbage is dumped. And the second thing is remote area. So what is remote area? Remote area is that area which is very far away from the populated area, means from our homes. And third thing is here vermicomposting. So that what is vermicomposting? The method of preparing compost but with the help of earthworms. And next thing is composting. So what is composting? The process of preparing manure or compost by using plant and animal waste but with the help of microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms present in soil that convert that plant waste and animal waste into a manure or compost. Next topic beta segregation of garbage at the point of generation. So separation of various component of garbage at the landfill by hand is highly non-hygienic and slow process. So the person main involved in this process are the victim of various diseases, because that landfill area containing lot of disease containing pathogens. Okay, so the person involved in this process get a victim of get a diseases and a victim of that diseases. So to prevent that, it is suggested that to collect that different component of garbage into separate dustbins. So the collection of different component of garbage separated at a point of generation is called segregation of garbage. So how that segregation of garbage is done? That is done by two type of dustbins or bins, blue bins and green bins. Generally beta blue bins, blue in color, that in that blue bins we collect recycled material, the waste which can be recycled, that material is collected in blue bins. And green bins, in green bins we collect that material like plant and animal waste which can be decomposed by microorganisms. So that waste in blue bins contain material that can be recycled and are collected in blue bins, and that waste is then sent into respective industries for their processings. Next is green bins. In case of green bins, the kitchen waste, plant and animal waste are collected in green bins, and that is then directly sent to the composting side where it can be converted into compost.